An ambitious intern.
The new intern is too enthusiastic.
That's a good thing, Tina.
I think she wants my job.
You're being paranoid, Tina.
I'm serious, Nancy. She's ambitious.
She's just eager to learn.
I don't trust her, Nancy.
You're being unreasonable.
I'm not sure what to do.
Just give her a chance.
I don't want to regret it.
You won't regret it.
What if she takes my job?
That's not going to happen.
How can you be so sure?
Because you're doing a great job.
But what if she's better?
Then you'll learn from her.
I don't want to learn from her.
Why not? She has potential.
I don't want to be replaced.
You won't be replaced.
How can you guarantee that?
Because you're an asset to the company.
But what if she's more of an asset?
Then we'll have two assets.
I don't like this.
You're overthinking it.
I can't help it.
Just relax and give her a chance.
Okay, I'll try that.
Good. You won't regret it.